said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the light.
Hey guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV, and today I am going to show you how good Tough Stuff works. Now I did a video and I showed you how good it worked in your car. I mean, it works on the vinyl, the carpet, the seats, everything. But I also use it in the house. And you can get this stuff anywhere. Home Depot, Lowe's, Dollar General, you know. So I'm going to show you just how easy it cleans. Now guys, this rug was in my front room, and right here is where we did a lot of the, traffic walking on it. And so just this area here needs cleaning. All in here is, good. All in there, that's where the traffic was. So instead of throwing the rug out, because I have a new rug, I said I can put it in my dressing room. And when I work out, this would be a nice little thing for when I work out. So the first thing you want to do is spray it. And I'm spraying it this thick so y'all can see it. Guys, hit that subscribe button. And the thumbs up. That way I'll know when I find products that work, you guys want to see them. Now I'm going to tell you now, just by spraying that, I can see the dirt foaming up in this. Let me try to see if I can show y'all. Right here, my camera acting crazy. Right here in this area, I don't know if you can see it, but the dirt is foaming up right on here. My phone want to act crazy. So right in here, it's foaming up on top. So since I see it want to foam up, what I am going to do, now you could take a brush, a sponge, or anything like that, but this is like just a regular towel that I use to wipe off, my wainscot. But I'm going to show you just how good this stuff works. Look at that. Look at that dirt on that towel. And let's get this piece here, okay? And this is perfect spot cleaning, guys. But I'm going to tell you the truth. This will clean this whole rug. Now, I haven't even put it in any water. You can put your towel in the water and, rub the carpet too. But as you see, just spraying it on there. Look at that. And like I said, you can use any method. You can go over it as many times as you want, or you can vacuum it up. Y'all know I'm extra. I like spraying it. This is just the way I do it. I like spraying it and then just wiping it up. Just wiping it up. If you have a bigger carpet, then you could just spray the whole thing and vacuum it that way. Now, like I said, once you finish scrubbing on it, guys, just let it dry. Oh, and it smells so nice. And like I said, this rug was downstairs in my front room, but y'all know I am decorating, so I said, let me put this in my dressing room because I'm going to start decorating in my dressing room. Only this walk path was dirty. Only that area was dirty. So, like I said, I can let this dry. Let me see something. So usually, you can put your sponge or a small towel in the water, you know. Because I'm only using this water to rinse my towel. Because once I get that dirt off, you know, I don't want to rub it back in. And for you ladies who got makeup on your, like, car visor, man, this stuff will get the makeup spots off of your visor. And the only reason why I just, you know, wet my towel is because I'm trying to get the dirt that got in this towel off. So when I go back over my rug, I am not putting dirt back in my rug. That's the only reason. You don't want the dirt in your rug, right? All right, guys, so I'm going to tell you right now, this stuff works. Now, what I did was spray it, then I wiped it real good. But if you have a larger area, only thing you have to do is spray your whole rug and vacuum it up. Wait, because it's going to start lifting that dirt to the top if you have a larger area to do. But me, since I had this walkway, because this is where we walked at on this rug, back and forth when it was downstairs, just back and forth. So it was only this area here. But this will clean a larger size rug. I did a video on this about how good it cleans the interior of your car. For a matter of fact, when you see the bottle, that is the inside of the car. And I'm telling you, it cleans your vinyl, it cleans your seats, it cleans your rugs. Now, you know, if you're, you know, not too sure about it, you know, in your car or whatever, then test a small area. But for us ladies who like to touch our visors and got makeup on our visors, girl, you can spray just a little bit and then wipe it up. It's gonna come off. The makeup is going to come off. So guys, this is what I use in my car and on my rugs. And it is a good cleaner, okay? And on the bottle, it says it deep clean for fabric, carpets, and vinyl. So yes, so it's a multi-purpose foam cleaner, and I'm telling you, it works. All right, now, guys, for you all who want to, you know, like use a brush on your rug, then you spray the area. Can you see that? You spray the area. Take any brush that you have. It could be any brush. And I'm going to tell you this. This is one of the things that you should also do. Once you brush it one way, go in a different angle so you can get underneath the nap. So if we went this way, let's go this way. And that way you know that you're hitting it from every direction, right? So guys, here's my water. Here's my water that I use to rinse off my brush and stuff. Let's go see how dirty this water is. Hey everybody, so we are in my bathroom. This is what this water is looking like. You know, can y'all see that? I'm trying to make it where y'all can see it. This is what the water is looking like. And I am about to pour it in my toilet. Okay. So now that I have went over this area, I'm gonna wait for it to dry. I already know it's going to be clean, guys, but I am going to wait for it to dry. If I feel like I want to go over it again, then I'll go over it again. But pretty much that is it. So guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.